Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to clear cache on Wechat. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open Wechat on your phone. Go to your profile by tapping on Me from the bottom right corner. From your profile, go to Settings. From Settings, tap on General. Then go to Manage Storage. Here you will find Cache. You can also see the size of it. If you clear this, it won't affect the normal use of Wechat. Now tap on the Clear button. From the confirmation window, tap on OK. The cache has been cleared. So in this way, you can clear cache on Wechat. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.